This is like orgasm, except much better. Much better. So good. My family has been asking me to make thumbprint cookies every week, I kid you not. So this week I'm making it again. Why not make it together? So let's make it together. You want your ingredients to be room temperature when baking because it makes a huge difference in the whole baking process. So there we go. We're gonna mix it for about 3 to 5 minutes. Now we're going to add 2 egg yolks. Now we continue beating it until everything is nice and incorporated. And now we add the vanilla. And now, little by little, we're going to add sifted all-purpose flour. So I'm gonna use, a tablespoon, and we're gonna add gradually and beat until everything is nice and incorporated. The last little bit. And continue mixing until everything is nice and incorporated and looks like a nice dough. Now you want to give it a good mix with a spatula, just to get everything off the sides of the bowl. And we are ready to bake. For the fillings, we're going to use red pepper jelly, raspberry preserve, and apricot preserve. It's time to bake our cookies. Now we patiently wait 12 minutes until the cookies are ready. While we wait, we're gonna do some cleaning. Beautiful they turned out. I'm just gonna let them sit on the pan for a few minutes before I transfer them to a cooling rack. So just hang in there. It smells divine in the house.